to Malaga, where the local time is 1 hour ahead of the United Kingdom, so that's approximately 10:30 in the morning. The outside temperature is a very nice 30 degrees. Thank God you've left the rain in Manchester, you're all safe. For your safety, please do remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched on. This will be when we arrive on our stand and the captain has turned the engines off. Before you do leave us today, please do ensure that you do have everything with you. Please do take the time to look in the seat pocket in front of you, just to make sure you've not left your phone, your wallet, your teddy bear, your games console. Please do make sure you've got everything with you, because once you have disembarked the aircraft here in Malaga, for security reasons you're not permitted to re-enter to look for anything. So if you find anything on board once you've left the aeroplane, we will hand it to our agents here, and it'll be your responsibility to try and retrieve it. We won't take it back to the United Kingdom for you, as it poses a security risk. If you were given an additional red safety belt or life jacket, could you kindly leave these on the seat prior to disembarking? If you have checked in a child's buggy, you will be able to collect this with your luggage in the arrivals hall. For those passengers who have requested special assistance from us, could you kindly ask you please to remain seated until all our other customers have disembarked the aeroplane, and then the cabin crew and our ground handling agents will be very happy to assist you. Please do have your passports ready for inspection by the immigration authorities here in Malaga, and as a polite reminder, smoking is still not allowed. It doesn't include the use of any electronic or vapor cigarettes until you're outside of the terminal building in the clearly marked smoking areas. If you're on holiday with TUI or First Choice, you'll need to look out for the TUI team in the arrivals hall for the next part of your journey. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we do hope you have enjoyed your flight with us today. We've certainly enjoyed having you on board. We'd now like to wish you a fantastic holiday here in Malaga, and we do look forward to seeing you in a week or two's time for your flight home. Thank you for flying with TUI, and a very good morning to you all.